Hey guys, it's Enjoyment Day on the channel. So if you want to know how to make this Brazilian lemonade, then stay tuned. What's up, everyone? This is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. It's Enjoyment Day on the channel, and I am someone who loves lemonade. And when I learned how to make this Brazilian lemonade, this became one of my new favorites. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'll have the recipe in the description box, but the things that you're going to need to make this are limes. I have mini limes. You need about 4 limes, or if you're going to use the mini limes like I did, then you need 16 of those, preferably the ones with the thinner skin. 6 cups of cold water, 1 cup of sugar, a ½ cup of sweetened condensed milk, some ice, a blender, 2 pitchers, and a strainer. You're going to be using the limes with the skin on them, so you want to make sure they're clean. I use this wash for cleaning my fruits and vegetables, so I just spray that on there, clean them really good, rinse them off, and they're good to go. Cut them up into pieces of 4s, but cutting off the ends. But you want to mix the cups of cold water with sugar in a pitcher and stir it really well. And then when that's done, then you can cut up the limes and get your limes prepared and ready. Then I'm going to put half of the limes and half of the water and sugar mixture into a blender, and I'm going to blend it really, really well. Once that's done, then I pour that into a pitcher using the strainer over the pitcher, so it's going to get all of the pulp and the skin and the extra stuff from the limes. And then once you're done with that, then you just repeat with the other half of the limes and the water and sugar mixture. Okay, and then once that's all done, then you can get your favorite cup or glass, put some ice in it, and then you're going to add that into the entire mixture of the lemonade into the pitcher. Stir it around, and then you can pour the lemonade into the glass that you have your ice in, and it's ready to drink. Okay, just fair warning, you don't want to try to mix it all in the blender at one time, and that's why I split it in half, or you're not going to have enough space unless you have an extremely large blender, of course, or if you have 2 blenders and you want to do it both at the same time. I don't know, it's up to you. But guys, this is really good. It is sweet and tart. It's like sweet and tarty, I don't know if that's a word, and tangy, and I really love it. It tastes really, really good. Like I said, lemonade is one of my favorite drinks, but this Brazilian lemonade, like, who would think that putting milk in something is going to make it that much better? And I'm not a big milk person myself, but this is absolutely amazing. So it doesn't take very long to do. Preferably do this right before you're going to get ready to drink it or serve it. You don't want to waste your time having it sit in a pitcher in the refrigerator. Enjoy it. It takes about 5 minutes to prep it and about 5 minutes total to actually do everything all together. And you'll probably get about 6 servings out of it, depending on how small or big your glasses are, but it's amazing. Try it out. Let me know what you think. This is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, sharing the Bible. That's business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. And until next time, I hope you all have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day.